Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Have you ever found an eyeshadow palette that promises versatility but doesn't quite live up to the hype? Today, we're exploring the Kiko Milano Bright Quartet Eyeshadow Palette in 01 Warm Neutral Tones. A product that boasts both baked eyeshadows and the ability to be used wet or dry. Sounds like the perfect all-in-one, right? Let's break it down and see if it truly delivers. First off, the Kiko Milano Bright Quartet Eyeshadow Palette features 4 stunning shades in a warm, neutral tone range. The baked formula promises both luminous and blendable finishes, ideal for creating soft, everyday looks or more dramatic, intense eye makeup. Whether you want a subtle wash of color or something bold, this palette has you covered. Now let's talk ingredients and performance. The formula is smooth and the powder is finely milled, which makes application seamless. The key feature here is that you can use these shadows both wet and dry, depending on the look you're going for. Wet application gives you an amplified intensity with a shimmering finish, while dry use gives a more subtle, everyday glow. In terms of real-world testing, I've incorporated this palette into both my everyday routine and some more special occasions. On a day-to-day basis, I loved how easily the shadows blended together, giving me that natural but radiant look without a ton of effort. The payoff was impressive, even when used dry. But when I went for a more intense evening look, wetting the brush really took the shadows to another level, making them pop with that luminous, almost foil-like finish. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture is velvety and not at all powdery, so you won't have a ton of fallout during application. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether you're going for a light wash of color or full-on sparkle, it adapts to whatever you need. The pigmentation is great too, especially when you apply it wet, and the blendability is impressive for such a compact palette. However, one downside I noticed was the size. While the shades are beautiful, they are a bit on the smaller side. So if you have larger brushes or want to pack a lot of product on the lid, you might find it a bit tricky to work with. Also, depending on your skin tone, some of the lighter shades might be a bit too subtle if you're looking for something bolder. When it comes to value for money, this palette falls into the mid-range category. Given the quality of the shadows, the versatility of use, and the overall performance, I'd say it provides solid value for its price. You're getting a high-end feel at a reasonable cost, making it a great option for those who want quality without breaking the bank. Compared to other eyeshadow palettes in the same price range, Kiko Milano holds its ground. Some high-end brands may offer larger pans or more complex shade ranges, but the quality of these baked shadows is impressive for the price, especially when you factor in the wet-dry functionality. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and compact, making it easy to toss into your makeup bag. While not overly luxurious, it feels sturdy and secure, so no issues there. If you're someone who loves versatile, easy-to-use eyeshadows with both subtle and bold options, this palette is a great pick. It's perfect for anyone who wants a go-to palette for day-to-night looks. However, if you prefer larger pans or a wider variety of shades, you may want to explore other options. For those who are after a solid, dependable eyeshadow palette that delivers on its promises, this is worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried the Kiko Milano Bright Quartet Eyeshadow Palette, drop a comment below. Let's hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.